that door!
What are you doing here?
Getting you out. Here, put this on. You'll need it.
You could get into a lot of trouble for doing this.
Not anymore. Things have changed. We better go.
What about the other prisoners? We can't just leave them here.
They're gone. Hoffman pardoned everybody.
Is that right?
Welcome back to the army, soldier.
Shit. Let's go.
We've got two options. We can go back the way I came, through the guards' quarters. It takes time, but it's safe. Or we can go through the prison blocks and get right into the fight. Your choice.
Let's take the prison blocks. I'm ready to kick some ass.
Hell yeah. Let's do it. 6-4, this is Delta 2. We are en route. Over.
Copy that. We are beginning our run. 6-4 in position. Fox 1, Fox 1.
Delta 2, hold your fire! We are inside the prison. Over.
Roger that, holding fire. Advise you relocate ASAP.
Man, if command knew I was here to get you, I'd be in some deep shit. Come on, let's go. What the hell's been going on in this prison?
You don't
Ground units are taking heavy fire. We have hostiles in both directions.
The tower! King Raven, take cover!
Roger that. Moving in.
Can't see it! Nice! 6-4, we are moving your location. Over.
Copy that. We are clearing area for extraction.
Mark, grab the grenade. Okay, I think we're good. Let's grab some ammo.
Got him.
Marcus, they're cutting through the door. Take cover. Take cover! Get ready. Here they come!
You're good to go.